How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. Next, tap on the bank icon. You will land on the Money section of Cash App, as you can see here. From there, scroll down and come down to the Explore section. Under the section, there are more options related to money. From them, make sure you tap on the one named Bitcoin. Once you do that, you will see everything related to Bitcoin, such as the current price of Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin page, come to the middle section of the page. After that, make sure you tap on the two arrows next to the Sell button. Once you do that, a menu pops up from the bottom of the page. The menu has different options. From them, choose the one named Send. On the next page, you need to enter the amount you would like to send. Once you are done with that, go ahead and tap here, Next. Once you do that, this other page here appears. On this page, there is some important information you need to provide, such as the Bitcoin address you want to send the Bitcoin to. Also, in the next text field, you are supposed to enter what the payment is for. Finally, go ahead and tap here, Next. The Bitcoin will then be sent to the intended address. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is, how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App.